This is how you hammer. Strike each string in quick succession with your little numbers, your little digits, like this. Super easy. Now pulling off, you have to do a little kind of the reverse, or the inverse, which is striking and pulling off, so it makes a sound. So instead of going, there's two different ways to pull. Some you can kind of just strike and let go, and it kind of makes a sound. But if you want a stronger, more thorough kind of sound, you kind of drag it and pluck it at the same time. So you hit it. That helps, especially with tapping with chords or any kind of non-mono syllabic kind of note, or single note, I think is as it's called, if I can talk right. And that's your basic hammer on, pull off. Hammer on, pull off. To illustrate, here is a recent riff that I did. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling off with multiple fingers. Oh my God, that's never not going to be funny. And I'm hammering on with multiple frets as well. Or excuse me, multiple strings. And multiple frets, yes. So let's slow that first riff down. So it goes. So I'm actually hammering on those last four strings. Sorry, quick tune. And that's a good technique to know further once you get the pulling off and the hammering on down a bit. Then you're going to want to start experimenting with larger numbers, because bigger is better. So that first riff goes like striking that top string just for that bass note to give that nice kind of bass sound throughout, so it kind of buoys the rest of the melody. So it goes like. See, I'm hammering on that whole thing, hitting this at the same time as I'm using these two fingers to hit the 12th fret of these strings. So hammering on, so it goes. This usually at the same time, so it goes. And this kind of cascading effect, again, just getting used to pulling off makes this a lot easier. As you go. So as that's being held down, that note still rings out, and then you can pull off and add more depth to that sound. Oops. To this part, just again, pretty basic chord here. I think it's like, I have no idea what it is, maybe an A minor in standard tuning, but just here on the 5th fret up on the top string. Now you do the same cascading effect. kind of like stepping, like just going up or down the step. So see how that finger, when it stays down like that, adds that note continues on throughout the melodic line, so it sounds a lot fuller, kind of trick the ears into thinking that it's doing something unique, which is really not. Shh, don't tell anybody. That's just the pulling off. It's really just a continuation of the simple pulling off and hammering on technique. You're just doing it slightly more complex, one extra string in this case. And this time now you're just moving up and down. You're not even moving laterally, you're moving horizontally, which is way easier than doing this. That's far more complex and annoying. So let's do it slow and then do it fast.